In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a task in Todoist. Assigning tasks is one of the simplest but most powerful ways to keep your projects organized and make sure everyone on your team knows exactly what they're responsible for. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through assigning a task to yourself or to a teammate inside Todoist, and I'll add some tips along the way so you understand what's happening and why it matters. First, open Todoist on your computer or in your browser and navigate to the project that contains the task you want to assign. This might be a shared team project, a client project, or even a personal project that you're organizing for later collaboration. Once you're in the correct project, look through the task list and select the specific task you want to assign. You can do this by clicking directly on the task name. When you click the task, a detailed task view will open on the right side of the screen or in a separate panel depending on your layout. This view is where you can see and edit all the key details like the task name, due date, priority, and any comments or subtasks that have been added. Inside this task view, look for the assignee section. This is usually represented by a small profile icon, avatar, or a label that might currently say something like no assignee. Click on this assignee area. As soon as you click it, Todoist will open a drop-down list or a small window showing the people who have access to this project. From this list, choose the person you want to assign the task to. If you're working alone, you can simply select yourself. If you're working with a team, you'll see your collaborators' names here as well. Make sure the person you're assigning the task to is actually part of the shared project, otherwise they won't appear in the list. Once you click on the correct person, Todoist will immediately assign the task to them. You should now see their name or profile picture displayed clearly in the task view. This confirms that the assignment worked. At this point, the assignee will see the task in their own Todoist, and depending on their notification settings, they may receive an alert that a new task has been assigned. And that's all there is to it. By selecting a task and then choosing an assignee, you're making it clear who owns that work, which helps reduce confusion and keeps